It is raining so much today.
Yes, the weather is very bad.
I hear a strange sound. Do you hear that?
Yes, I hear water.
Look! There is water on the floor! Oh no! Water is coming inside!
This is not normal. Something is wrong.
We need to check quickly.
Let's go to the kitchen.
Maybe the problem is there.
The sink looks fine. It is not this.
Then where's the water coming from?
I am scared. The water is rising.
Don't worry. Stay close to me.
Let's check the bathroom.
Yes, maybe the problem is there.
Oh no! The bathtub is overflowing!
This is the problem! Turn off the water now!
I am trying!
Okay, I stopped it.
Good. The water is not coming now.
The house is full of water. This is a big mess.
We need to clean this.
Yes, let's do it together.
I will help too. Me too. Let's clean fast.
Good job, everyone.
We are doing great.
I slipped. Oh no. It fell.
Even in trouble, we can laugh.
Yes, that is true.
Now it looks better.
Yes, much better.
I was very scared before.
But now everything is okay. Next time, we must be careful.
Yes, we learned a lesson.
We fixed it together.
That is what family does. Today was a crazy day, but a good lesson.
I am proud of all of you.
We are happy.